Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified on any new videos that I post. This weekend is another fun weekend among the many fun weekends that we have had, and I thought I could share a little joy and take you along with us. We went to Ikea for some shopping. Wait, let me rephrase that. We went to Ikea for lots of shopping, which we were so excited about. Setting up our home is such an amazing feeling. Just the sheer joy of having your own space and making memories and having some blissful moments with your family is so overwhelming. IKEA is such an amazing place to get things for your house because it's so affordable, and at the same time they have everything that you would possibly need to set up a house. We got so much done and we're feeling so accomplished. I will for sure do a haul on my favorite purchases from IKEA, so stay tuned. That smile just melts my heart. She was so patient throughout the shopping. She totally surprised us. Looks like this little one already enjoys shopping. By the end of it, she was a little tired and she took a good nap on our way to the church, but of course was fresh and wide awake during Mass. Anyway, we ended our Saturday at the church and had a good Saturday evening. With lots happening around work, shopping, and planning for our new house, our regular house responsibilities, we thought it would be a good idea to take a break and take some time out for ourselves as a family, and decided to have a small getaway on the Stoomtrein, or as they call it in Dutch, Stoomtrein. The entire journey to the station itself is so beautiful that I couldn't help show it to you all. It was such a bright day. Everyone was out cycling, walking their dog, etc. The sky was so clear and blue. It was just a perfect day for a getaway. For those of you who do not know, Netherlands is really known for its unpredictable weather. So we are really appreciative of days that are bright, shiny, and has clear weather. The starting point of the train is just about 15 minutes drive from where we stay. We've been wanting to make this ride happen from a very long time, especially from the last summer. And the train passes by right near our house, which is, we can hear the train pass every Sunday twice during the summers. And we've been thinking about making this trip from quite some time, but never made time for it. Finally, the day was here and I was so super excited for this ride. And it was also a place where, it had a huge parking, which was super convenient for people. And if you know, in Europe, every place does not have a good parking area. Either it is paid and parking, or you really have to struggle finding a free parking. So this place is really convenient because you don't have to pay anything extra for parking, and it is perfectly safe for you to park here and enjoy the ride which is for about 2.5 hours. So we quickly parked and headed towards the train. We were super excited as we really wanted to go since a really long time. Just for your information, the Stoomtrein is run only during the summers and is available only on Sundays. It has 2 trips, one at 1:30 in the noon and one in the morning at 10 a.m. Also, to give you a little bit of background about this train, it is of course powered by a steam engine, and it runs between a city called Apeldoorn and Dieren. It was officially opened in the year 1887. We had reached our compartment and we were looking for our seats. They had really maintained some good decorum in terms of the corona situation. They did not have anybody seated next to us. Anybody was sitting one row behind us and one row ahead of us. So there was nobody sitting immediately in front of us or behind us. This route is part of the so-called King's Line, and this is because the train originally ran from Dieren via Apeldoorn in the direction of a city called Zwolle. And King William III had influence in this because he wanted the railway to run past his summer residence, Palace Het Loo. He got his own station to get to his workplace in The Hague. The section Apeldoorn to Zwolle has unfortunately now been broken up, and the train only runs between Apeldoorn to Dieren. In the first decades of the 20th century, the railway had lively freight traffic. Many companies transported their raw materials by rail, and the tourism also grew. But however, after the Second World War, the competition from the bus transport and private cars increased rapidly. As a result, the passenger on the King's Line began to decline, and the Dutch railways decided to discontinue the passenger transport in the year 1950. The freight transport, on the other hand, still continued at the point. So with this we come to the end of this train journey and as well as the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it with us because we thoroughly enjoyed the entire ride and had lots of fun. I was so happy with however the train ride turned out to be, and it was such a beautiful vintage train. And if you enjoyed this ride and enjoyed this vlog along with us, don't forget to support us by liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. See you until next time. Bye bye.
Bergen, eindpunt van deze trein, station Beek, Bergen.